Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ jẹ́ n tún sáré gbé yín débẹ̀. Àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ló sáàkì gbà. Ó dẹ̀ resign ọba mẹ́ta, ó ti àfi ọba mẹ́ta pa. Onígbàjọ, ọba Akírun, àti ó dàbí pé ọba Àlùkàṣá mẹ́ta sá ni wọ́n. Ó tì wọ́n pa. Ó sì ti pa. Wọ́n lò sì tún plan àti ṣe nǹkan míì. Àwọn tó ti pa ẹ̀, báwo lẹ́jọ́ wọn ṣe rí? Káwa tó dájọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n àwo sọ tiwa, àwo ò mọ bó ti ṣe ń lọ lọ́wọ́. Káwa tó sì dájọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀gbọ́n tí Rúfàì wí ní ara ìsìn. Ẹ̀gbọ́n tó náà tún sọ lára ìsìn. Ó advice ni. Ṣùgbọ́n kílẹ̀ yìí náà rí sí. Ẹ fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì. À ń dúró de kọ́mẹ́ǹtì yín. Ẹ fi sábẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ jẹ́ a jọ gbọ́.
Like I said yesterday, congratulations to Adeleke once again. He's finally got the chance after the second try. And how he navigates this will mean a lot for the suffering people of Osun State. The state of the living spring with so much potential, but governance has let them down. A state gifted, a state of the virtuous, as they say. One thing is certain that Adeleke will have to do. He will have to watch the movie The Godfather and listen to a certain character called Maripuzo that says, keep your friends close and your enemies even closer. He will make his mistakes. Probably he has started making some of them. But the most important thing is, how quickly can he fail so he can move on from the failures of now and try to consolidate on the state? Some will argue that all this that he has done in 24 hours, are they needed? Probably, yes. Because you can't expect a man to pay salaries of 12,000 people when there's no provision for it. And it's not that Osun State earns any great amount from the federal purse. You cannot expect a man not to be assertive when these landmines were deliberately put in place by the government he was taking over from. Because let's not forget that the outgoing Oyetola government did not even give him a proper handover. And the processes were not put in place. Yes, some people might advise him that it might not be a wise idea to dabble into the traditional matters of chieftaincy and all of that. But also, the people that say that, I'm sure they are probably oblivious of the fights that have ensued from those decisions as regards, positions in the Kirun and Owa. Because if one side can talk, then there's also another side to talk to balance things out. Even some people will go one step further about what has happened with the use of the state security forces like Amotekun in the last administration vis-a-vis this administration. So there are all those things there. He'll be going up against a national assembly, a state assembly that might not totally be in his favor, and he will have pushbacks. But probably, will he be able to cut them? And we've also seen from Nigerian antecedents that everything is just worth one very good deal. The National Assembly of over 28 members can shift to full membership to the incumbent party in a heartbeat. At least Imo State leads the way on that in terms of Nigerian politics. He will make his mistakes. But the most important thing is, will more mistakes be made about the prosperity of Osun people? 4 years will tell. Nobody knows it all. The future is fluid. But most importantly, our hope for the state of Osun is that he truly lives up to his billing and become the living spring of wealth and prosperity for its people. But hey, what do I know? Probably I'll say this once again. Like Mario Puzo says, he'll probably learn to keep his friends close and enemies close.